Dokmuka Western Forest Range on Thursday recovered timbers, machine chainsaw and generator from the forest. Nihang Karbi Baptist Association commenced its 112th edition of annual conference from 12 to 15 January. Assistant Director Handloom and Textiles inaugurated procurement center at Diphu under the Assam government flagship scheme Swanirbhar Nari. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. As per the direction of Rajen Rongpi, Assistant Conservator of Forest, a team of Forest Department led by Indrajit Singha, Deputy Ranger, and Samson Ingti, Forester 1, were engaged into a search operation and recovered timbers, machine chainsaw, and generator from Paklongkam, the Crusoe region on 12 January. Forest Department of Dokmuka Western Forest Range were in high alert after an intel of possible timber theft around their perimeter was received. Hence, they remain vigilant, and on Thursday, they recovered 80 kb of timbers and machine chainsaw generator concealed under the earth from the forest. It was informed that the contraband seized could be worth of rupees 2 to 3 lakhs if sold in open market. Forest Department acted upon the information put forward by ECF. The team reached the locations and instantly engaged into a search operation. Timber smugglers must come to an end.
যথেষ্ট বেয়া আছিল লগতে ঠাইটো যথেষ্ট দুৰ্গম জায়গা আছিল তো আমি সেই জায়গাত গৈ তালাচী চলাওঁতে লুকাই থোৱা অৱস্থাত এটা কাঠফলা মেচিন জেনাৰেটৰ এটা লগতে কাঠ প্ৰায় 80 সেফটি আৰু মেচিনৰ সা-সঁজুলি তালাচী চলাই আমি জব্দ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হওঁ।
Samson Ingti's report from Dokmuka for KAL Live. The 112th annual conference of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association NKBA started from 12 January could conclude on 15th of January. It was organized at Antioch Baptist Church under Sapapani Area Baptist Fellowship. The initial day of the conference was receptions to all the delegates at the venue, followed by tent inaugurations and opening prayer by Joseph Hanse, President of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association. The first session was chaired by Joseph Hanse, President of NKBA, and the words of God was delivered by Reverend Tenson Bay, Executive Secretary of NKBA. On the following day, during early hour, 3 parent departments of NKBA hoisted their respective flags, followed by all the delegates to signify their presence at the conference. Different workshops for men, women and youths were also scheduled following the flags hoisting ceremony. Hours later, a cultural competition among the delegates was held. Around 5 p.m. of the day, during the prayer session chaired by Larson Taro, pastor, views, ideas and important issues were exchanged among the heads of 3 parent departments of NKBA and Central Committee. Reverend Dr. Anderson Tokbi, General Secretary of KAL Baptist Convention, summed up the second day of the conference by sharing the words of God.
Anam nakijadut penapot sayang ring atame pichulong bom apen do kawe kachetong open arna mapananong pethelong lo so taxi itum ke kroy itum kachiki ke arna mapan ke kroy arna pankachiki bom penapot NKB angkang antame amuduri tin tame arna mapan ke kroy pen arna panchiki pen karjona tame lapen ogana tame ke miana son hepon bom penaposi khai long nirong parapatame mesen isi kathyang amilor son plangko.
Ananterang's report for KAL Live. On 12th of January, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAL Autonomous Council, inaugurated procurement center under the Assam government flagship scheme Swanirbhar Nari at the office premises of Assistant Director of Handloom and Textile Diphu. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, attended as the chief guest and inaugurated the procurement center in presence of Madhuram Lekthe, EM in charge Handloom and Textile, Amar Singh Tiso, EM, Madhusmita Bhagwati, DC of Karbi Anglong, Michael Timung, Joint Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Johnny Timung, MAC, Het Singh Rongpar, MAC, and several dignitaries of the department. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang informed that with this scheme, more than 8,000 women from Karbi Anglong would benefit from this scheme. Their woven products would be brought back by the government and their payment would be done within 4 working days online. This scheme provides an opportunity to all the women to be self-reliant.
Sarpi maratum okorjangatum amethang akeng kacarjab ji aphan government penisi latum phan ke deng pondolo alang litum phan ke thir ke phagan ke government sin apor po poho pencheng lok pini pekok pencheng lok lapen ke lahai choi hong thor pencheng lok lahai tame ni pliang bong online pen si payment pipo lage nona chief minister si kedeng pona scheme lo.
Tapas Das Kumar, Assistant Director of Handloom and Textiles, while speaking to us, informed that the process of waivers enrollment was done last year across the state through an online mode. A total of 8,239 waivers from Karbi Anglong enrolled their names, and out of the total, 7,917 waivers were approved by the government.
Price 8,239 জনে তেতিয়া এপ্লাই কৰিছে এটো ফ্ৰী আছে প্ৰত্যেককে তামনে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰে কিন্তু আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ 8,239 গৰাকী 8,239 গৰাকী এপ্লাই কৰিছিল আৰু তাৰে তেওঁলোকৰ ডাটা আৰু গোটেই বস্তুখিনি মানে ভেৰিফাই কৰাৰ পিছত 7,917 গৰাকী এপ্ৰুভ হৈছিল.
Rajasteron report from Diphu for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.